Hey everybody, it's Matt Schmidt here. I'm inside my business manager. We're going to be creating a product catalog for our store and our Facebook ads account. This is very, very important when you're getting in terms of remarketing, retargeting, and basically making sure that you can create product catalog sales ads, which is the best way to retarget people on Facebook. It allows you to basically show whatever the product was to the potential customer that they left, right? So if they hit your shirt, you're going to be able to remarket them with your shirt with the product catalog sales, but you got to do this first. So it's really important. So let's set it up. I'm in my business manager. Like I said, I'm just going inside, hitting product, these three bars up here, going into all tools and hitting product catalog. Super easy. And we're going to move forward here. So then I want to do, this is going to be for our S7 test store. We're going to create it like that. They have a whole bunch of product catalog types, and we're obviously going to be doing products. Some of those other ones are interesting. And then just select the owner of the catalog and hit create. So now you're going to be given the option to create a feed. What a feed is basically the connection point between your store and your Facebook account. So what we need to do is go over to our store and install the Facebook product feed by Flexify app that allows you to create a connection point. Like I said, a URL that will connect the feeds on a daily basis, or the products on a daily basis, to your ads manager. So this is the easiest way to do it. It's a free app. There are things like Trackify that add extra layers of abilities on top of that. We're just getting started, so we want to just do this to make sure that we are headed in the right direction. You can do Trackify as well. It's a paid app. Like I said, comes with a lot of extra features, and he's got a lot of videos in there as well that could help you out. I'm going to show you how to use this one. So we're going to grab this URL right here. We're going to hit copy. We're going to go back to products and add product feed. So down here, the feed name, I haven't really found a need to name this anything. So let's just say S7 store feed, all products, just for being clear and precise. USD dollars, obviously, that's where we're going to be advertising the most, is the US. And scheduled recurring uploads is definitely what we want to do. Hit next, enter that URL from the other screen, and you don't have to do the username or password, and we create the feed. It's going to take a second. Not a whole lot of items in this store. It is a test store, so it'd probably upload really quick as we're sitting here, but it might take you a little bit longer if you have a lot of products. I have thousands of products on some of my sites, and so it takes a little bit longer to do this. That's why it's important also to update this, let that scheduled update like we had on the other screen, because if you launch products a lot, like we'll be teaching you, this will constantly be updating that feed and adding the new products in there on a daily basis, which is very, very important. If you ever notice something in your feed, it's probably, your ads aren't performing as well. Come in here and check this. Maybe do a manual upload and just basically forcing it under this setting right here. We might have some errors on here. We'll see how it goes. But the important thing, guys, here is to make sure that this is uploaded. I'll check these errors out on another time, but it looks like 246 of these are good to go. 33% or 33 products rejected due to errors. You can check these out, make sure everything's okay. I'm guessing it's just because we launched products as a test on this and don't really do it to how we should. You can go over here to check the products that now have uploaded. So let's see what we have. So yeah, here's all our test items. We've been testing things out here all the time. It's a bunch of junk, but this is a good way to see those products uploaded, which they look like they are. And we can even create product sets that are pretty cool too. So you have all products here. So in more advanced stores, things with a lot of traffic, what we like to do is create a product set. And what we can do is do it based off of products, right? So if you had a theme built into the name convention of a lot of your products, say like, let's see, bridesmaid, I can go ahead and start selecting these bridesmaids one. And if I name this bridesmaid collection, now the cool thing is that only this will show to people that I target with this. And we'll go over that in a later video in the retargeting section. But this is really cool at a later point. Don't worry about this because you can only target people who have seen this as well, right? If you're just starting off, you have a handful of products in your store, it doesn't really make sense to do this. If you're getting more advanced, it does make sense to do this because you can get much more precise and really lock in on your niches. But something to do at a later point. Let's just focus in. If you only have a handful of products, let's just focus in on the general retargeting of the entire store. So we can create this right now, and we have it there. So we can use either one of these in the ads in the coming future, and we're good to go. That's what needs to be done here. Now we can actually go into the retargeting section and create a product catalog sales ad. Okay, so I'll see you there.